A majority, that is 73% of Kenyans, are either in severe economic situation currently or are struggling to make ends meet. So that is the key takeout that we found out as number one, that a majority of the 73% are either in financial distress or are really struggling to make ends meet. And of course, we can see also to cope with, they've devised several means just to cope with the financial situation. One of them include getting side hustles or getting double employment. So there are those that are now working daytime, you're working at night, or you're doing something beside what you're employed to do. If it's a side hustle, that can only bring a coin, an extra coin to your pocket so that you can cope with the situation. And of course, there are those that have reduced their spendings. You've reduced the kind of expenditure you have in the household so that you can cope with the hard economic situation. Then of course, they've also, this hard economic situation has had various impact to our nation. And what do? It has increased stress level and anxiety, mentioned by 48%. 32% have had strain on personal relationship. And of course, 21% have had physical health issues. And of course, 18%, that's nearly 2 in 10, have issues to do with mental health.